start chapter number 4, determinant. It is the 4 marks chapter. It means every year we get 4 marks question in this chapter. First, what is determinant? Determinant is the numerical value of matrix. Every square matrix can be expressed. Explanation as a number is called determinant. It means the value of matrix is called determinant. Every square matrix. It means if we given that rectangular matrix which order is 2 into 3 or 3 into t does not find its determinant. Square matrix, it means only order of matrix is 2 into 2 or 3 into 3, 1 into 1, 4 into 4. That is matrix or square matrix, and in the matrix you find the value of determinant. Okay. If a matrix Aij, then its determinant denoted by that determinant A, or determinant of A. It is not a symbol of modulus. It is the symbol of determinant. It is the symbol of determinant and it is the symbol of matrix. This is main difference. This is the symbol of determinant and this is the symbol of matrix. This is not a modulus. Understand? Next, if we given a matrix A, its order 2 into 2, it means it is a square matrix. Then its determinant we represent in this way. Okay, this is the symbol of this is the matrix and this is the determinant. Okay, next we given that a matrix 3 into 3. It is the order is 3 into 3 and it is a square matrix. Then its determinant A equals to this. It means every square matrix can be expressed in the form of a determinant. Okay. Next, value of determinant of order 2 into 2 means we find the value of a matrix which order of 2 into 2 in the form of determinant. We given that a determinant A which order is 2 into 2. This is the leading diagonal. First we multiple A1 into B2. A1 into B2 minus when we go up to down negative positive sign, and next we go down to F, then negative sign. It is the symbol of cross multiples A1 B2 minus A2 B1. This is the solution of determinant 2 into 2 determinant. Okay. Example, we given A. A is a determinant, then we find its value. First we multiple leading diagonal, the principal diagonal, 2 into 5 minus 4 into 12. Understand? Then we get 2 into 5, 10, minus 10 into 4, 12, 10 minus 2, 12 equals to minus 2. This is the value of determinant. Okay. Next we given, if we given that a determinant A, then find the value of K. We find value of K. It means first we expand the determinant. Okay, expand the determinant and compare with right hand side. First we given K into 4 minus 3 into 12 equals to 8. Next, 4k equals to 8 plus 12 by transposing the 12 left side to right side. Next, 4k equals to 20, k equals to 20 upon 4, then we get k equals to 5. This is the solution of 2 into 2 determinant. It means square matrix, square determinant and its value is 5. Next, we compare a matrix and a determinant. Every square matrix is a determinant, but every matrix is not can be right in the determinant. It means हम सभी जो मैट्रिक्स है उनको डिटर्मिनेंट के फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट नहीं कर सकते, बट ओनली जो स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स है उसी को डिटर्मिनेंट के फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट कर सकते हैं. एंड वी फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ एवरी स्क्वायर डिटर्मिनेंट बाय यूजिंग इट्स रो एंड कॉलम, एक्सपेंडिंग बाय द रो एंड कॉलम. दिस इज ए डिटर्मिनेंट ऑफ 3 and 3. Then this is the first row R1, we expand it by first row. This is the second row R2, we also expand by second row. This is the R3, we also expand by third row. Similar, we expand C1 first column, this is the first column, and this is the second column C2, and this is the third column C3. It means we expand a determinant by any row and any column, but most of we use only one row and only one column at one time. Don't change row and column, but we exchange its row and column. The value of determinant is not changed, only change its sign. Okay, next we solve a determinant 3 into 3. Okay, we given that a determinant a equals to 3 1 0 minus 2 2 1 4 1 and minus 1. Find the value of this determinant. It means first we solve, expand by the rules. Okay, most of we solve the expand the determinant by using first row. This is the first row of determinant, and we expand this row R1. It means expand the determinant by R1. Okay, then we use first we write 3 and we shaded the portion, this and this row and this column, first row and first column, this row and this column. Then we get a 2 into 2 matrix, 2 1 1 minus 1, this row and this column. Next, second we use negative sign and minus के 2, and we shaded first row and second column, first row this and second column this. Then we get 1 0 1 minus 1 1 0 1 minus 1. Okay, we use a symbol for 3 into 3 plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. When we expand any determinant with first row, then use their symbol. Plus it means plus, minus it means minus, plus it means plus. Next, 4 shaded the first row and third column. Then we get determinant of 1 2 0 1. Okay, this is the 2 into 2 determinant, this is 2 into 2 determinant, and this is 2 into 2 determinant. We solve by this method. Okay, next 3 break it, 1 into minus 2 into minus 1, 2 into minus 1 minus का 2 and 1 into 1 down to up, then negative sign, 1 into 1 1 with negative sign, minus 1 minus into minus plus के 2 break it, 1 into minus 1 it means minus 1. 0 into 1, 0, it means minus 0, plus 4, and 1 into 1, and 0 into 2, so 1 minus 0. Okay, next 3 into minus 2 and minus 1, minus 3, minus 3 plus 2 into minus 1, it means minus 2, and plus 4 into 1, 4, it means 4. Then we get equals to minus 9 minus 2 plus 4. The value of determinant is minus 11 plus 4 equals to minus k 5, minus k 7. This is the value of determinant. Okay, clear? This is the solution of a 3 into 3 determinant. In the level of 12th class, we solve only the determinant of order 3 into 3 and order 2 into 2. Not solve the order 4 into 4. Next, find the value. Find the value of a determinant. We given a determinant A equals to sin theta cos theta minus cos theta and sin theta. Find the value of this determinant. This is the order of 2 into 2 determinant. Then we expand the determinant. Okay, first leading diagonal and second diagonal. Sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta minus down to up, then negative sign minus cos theta into cos theta. Okay, this is the symbol of according to rules, and this is the symbol of this. Then we get equals to sin square theta minus plus cos square theta, minus into minus plus sin square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. This is the solution of this determinant. Okay, next we given a determinant order of 3 into 3. A equals to, this is a determinant 3 minus 7 13 5 0 0 0 11 and 2. Find the value of this determinant by using the expand of R2. It means this determinant we solve the second row. Most of we solve the determinant by using where which row and which column have maximum zeros. It means जिस रो में और जिस कॉलम में अधिकतम जीरो हो, उसी रो को या कॉलम को यूज करके डिटरमिनेंट को सोल्व करते हैं. Because in the second row, this is the second row, there are two zeros. This is 0 and this is 0. Then it is simply solution. And we use the rules. This is the rules of 3 into 3 determinant plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. This is the use for R2. Second row के लिए use apply करना है. It means first minus के 5 expand with R2. It means we expand the determinant by second row. Minus 5, this is the minus 5. Then we get this column and this row is added. This column and this row. Then we get minus 7, 11, 13, 2. Clear? Second 5 with negative 0 plus 0, then 0. Okay, this column and this row is added. Then 3, 0, 13, 2. Then third number negative 0, and this row is shaded and this is column is shaded. This column is shaded and this is row is shaded. Then we get 3 minus 7 0 11. Okay. When we any number is multiplied by 0, then we get 0. This is 0 and this is also 0. Then we solve only this term. Okay, minus के 5 bracket minus 7 into 2 minus के 14 11 into 13 with negative sign down to up. Then minus 143 plus 0 plus 0. This is the 0 and this is the 0. This is the most useful of determinant use. Okay. Next minus के 5 multiple by minus के 14 है minus के 143 157 with negative. Then we get plus 785. This is the solution of determinant. Okay, next we given a determinant a equals to we given a determinant a equals to 3 5 10 11 2 3 minus 1 0 0. Find the value of this determinant. Then we solve by using the third column C3 because there are two zeros in column C3. We expand with C3. This is the third column and we get the value. First plus minus and plus according to rules. First this expand with C3. This determinant is expand with C3. It means third column minus 1 and minus के 1. Determinant of this row and this column is shaded. 5 2 10 3 minus 0. This is 0. This row is shaded and this is column is shaded. 3 11 10 3 and plus 0. This is 0 and we solve only this. Minus का 1 bracket 5 3 जा 15 minus का 20. तो minus का 1 into minus का 5 equals to 5. This is the solution of this determinant. Okay, this is clear. Okay.